Hi everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to do an unboxing and show you our scrapbook in a box with a twist. It is coming back. I have had a couple of customers that I've been basically custom making a scrapbook box, and this is what I've been doing, basically adding the cardstock with the this and that mystery box. And they really like it, and so I just want to go ahead and kind of give you a peek of what that's going to look like, as well as show you the paper collection, the Bohemian treasures. In the junk journal unboxing video, I forgot to show that, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and show that in this one. So when you receive your box, there will be a little thank you card or a sentiment if it's as a gift. We've got our cute little bundle. This is the This and That Mystery Pack. And then we've also got our paper and a 9x12 heavyweight chipboard. So let's go over the paper collection part first. So this is the ephemera pieces, and you can just cut as you need. This is printed on, some of that fabric got on there. This is printed on just regular copy paper, which makes it great for gluing on your pages or however you want it to use it. I just really like using it with the thin layer like this. So you've got those to cut out. We've also got the sticker sheet. These you can cut out as you would like. We've got some words. We've got all these images, a saying here, or a quote, so you can just cut out as you need. We've got these beautiful journaling cards. This month I'm excited to announce that your cardstock is being printed on 110-pound cover weight. We're going back to that. For the last, I guess, 2-3 months, we have been doing the 65-pound weight paper, and at the time I wasn't able to get my hands on the 110-pound cover weight, and it was just getting really difficult. But some of that has opened up to where we were able to go back to that. The pages will still measure 8.5 by 11, just because of 12 by 12 sheets, they are just harder to come by, at least at a good price. So, but I really like the thick paper. It's just absolutely great. So we've got these beautiful journaling cards. Most of these are actual photos or scans of them. This of course is like ephemera. This is ephemera. Just absolutely love these images. And then let me just turn this over, and then we'll go through the pages. Love the colors of these designs, the style. A lot of these are vintage wallpapers or fabrics, and that have been scanned and used, and and then we've just done some touch-ups and some other changes within them. This is a very nice page, very simple, but I love the deep color in those flowers, really pretty. And then we've got this beautiful blue page, and then we've got this beautiful page here. To me, it's very earthy, very natural. I just absolutely love the colors on this page. And then the same with this one, very earthy, very calming. The light blue colors in here and the green, just very calming. And then we've got this pretty page. Love this design, love the color. We've got this beautiful blue. It's just like a field of flowers. I just absolutely love it. And then this page here, just really pretty, nice bright green, but yet it's just real peaceful. I think just that green color, very, very peaceful. Then we've got this nice bright page. It's kind of like a tropical page in a way. I just absolutely love how that turned. So we've got this page here, love the colors, love the flowers. Then we've got this page here as well. I just love the colors on this, very natural, but I love the pinks. And then we've got this beautiful bright page. Absolutely love that, just so pretty. And then of course you get 9 by 12. This is the 0.50, which is the thickness of a penny. So heavyweight chipboard there for your scrapbook album. And then our cute little bundle here. So we've got a little charm attached by with this bulb pen. These are Tibetan silver charms, or at least that's how I say it, Tibetan silver. We've got our beautiful sari silk. Just, I love the colors, I love the patterns, just really pretty. Here's some other samples if you want to see, you know, aren't those just beautiful, beautiful colors? Just really pretty. Here's some other colors there. Just absolutely love those. And then we've got these appliques that you could cut out, so you'll get like 3 or 3.5, something like that. And you know, you can just use it as one piece if you wanted to use it like as a belly band, or just cut them and use them individually. And then this is our little goodie bag here. Since we are putting this in with the scrapbook box, you know, of course we want our ink pad, we want our stamp. So you got your stamps, ink pad, we've got a handful of flowers that you can use. We've also got a real pretty chipboard with the foil accent on it. Most of these are from the Midnight Garden collection that came out several years ago with Prima, and that was one of my favorite collections. I actually still have a 12 by 12 paper pad that's unopened that I've been hoarding, I guess for about the last 3 or 4 years. And so you get a bag of sequins, a bag of glitter, and then we've also got our little, oh, and I forgot about this. So you'll get some gold flakes. These are copper flakes. And then we've got our paper clip. Got that. It is a brad with a charm and a piece of fabric. And inside you've got some buttons, you've got a little jewel piece, and you've got some more brads if you want to use those for just whatever. I was thinking maybe if you were cutting up the appliques here and wanted to attach it with a brad. As you know, sometimes I like to attach stuff with brads, and you know, it just adds a nice look. So got that. And then you'll get a napkin. I know this doesn't really relate with scrapbooking necessarily, but with the this and that, we've always put in like a napkin or just kind of some random things. So this is the random object. And inside this beautiful silver envelope, we've got our ephemera pack. So we've got some tags here. Beautiful cardstock with velvet on it. I absolutely love this. Got just a plain tag here. Might want to do some stamping on there, glue some paper onto it. Got a couple of just some random Prima marketing cards. Also have a guest check. And we also have this real pretty mulberry paper. Absolutely love it. So we've got that. And then what everything is wrapped up in is some graphic 45 paper. This was a summer collection that they came out with a few years ago, and I really like it. You know, just very nature, earthy with the flowers, the words. Some of them that you will receive will be like with the stripes, and I really like it because it's kind of like wallpaper. And then of course we had a vintage book page that was folded up in there as well. So I'm really excited about this. I hope that you are too. If you're not subscribed to our newsletter, I'll put our website in the description box below. You can go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter so that you can get more details on our website relaunch for Friday, June 9th at 10 a.m. We will be having all of our new products, and they're not all subscription products. We have a lot of one-time products. We have giveaway products. You know, everything will be on sale, so we hope to see you there. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much.